These young people cannot come to Nairobi. They are part of this generation. This generation is tribalist. It doesn't have a tribe. It has returned us to where God wanted us to be. Do you remember, Mr. President, that if you read the history well, if you read even the Bible, the Quran, and everything, the religious books, there was no tribe. The tribe was called the tribe of Jacob. And when we have the tribe of Jacob, we had some other sub-tribes, the Judah, the Levites, the Naphtali, and all these your brothers. Therefore, there before, there are no tribes. If you go to Europe, there is no tribe in Europe. It's nationalities. And all these are one. And all they believe as one. They talk at one. And God has taken us back to the elimination of a tribe. Now we no longer have a tribe. We no longer have Kikuyu as a tribe. We have languages. These are just languages. We are not tribal. We are not tribes. Tribes is a language of a colonial master. A colonial master. We, me and you, at this age, we are the people only that are left to speak in our languages. Our young people have just deviated from the language. They have deviated. They are not tribal. They are in a language. And their language is one. The Pokots, the Maasais, the Turkana, the Kisis, the Kikuyus, they have one language now. And they are speaking and they are understanding. They will know that this is Kikuyus, this is Luos, this is Kambas in the demonstration. We had Kenyans. Even the police officers are tired because they themselves also, they have their kids.